Thank you for tuning in to another Yost Built video. Tonight we are going to do a quick little review on my Nissan Juke. So for those of you that are new to the channel, this is my 2013 Nissan Nismo JUKE. I currently hold the record for the fastest quarter mile at 1361 at 103 miles an hour. The only mods this thing has done to it are a 2J Racing downpipe, a engine 3-inch stainless steel exhaust, an engine intake, engine hard pipes, 2J Racing 19 PSI tune. It has Nismo RS or 350Z front brakes. It has Graham Light 57 getters. It's lowered on Megan Racing coilovers, and she's a fun little daily driver. So if you guys can't tell by now, the quality of this video is going to be broadcasted in 4K. So if you go down into the bottom corner and click on the little settings bar and hit the 4K tab, and hopefully you guys can view this in 4K. All right guys, so if you guys have never seen inside of a Juke, this is not the Nismo RS, so I have the soft back Nismo seats. Comes with a little Nismo badge right here. Regular Juke floor mats. Yes, it's dirty. This is my daily driver. It's not that clean right now. We were prepping for the hurricane that's not even coming anymore. The Nismo comes with a little red stripe here. Mine is a 6-speed manual, and you have suede and Alcantara door panels and seats and everything nice. Let me give you guys a little cold start. So I have my GoPro mounted right here. I'm gonna put you guys on and we'll go for a little test drive. Alright guys, so for those of you that have never driven a Juke before, go to the drive modes, put it in sport, go over here, turn your traction control off, and that's basically how you make a Nismo Juke fun. Now let's roll up the windows. My check engine light is on right now. I did crack the downpipe again, so it's a lean code for the second O2. So I'm gonna turn around up here and do a little pull for you guys. it doesn't spin. This car, right now I currently have my two 45 Michelin Pilot Super Sports, so we have a good amount of grip. This thing, when I'm not abusing it, gets around 32 miles to the gallon. It's a really fun daily driver. I have space for me, my dog, throw in car parts for La Vaca and the Accord. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed the new 4K content. Hopefully it's a lot clearer on your end. I've actually went back and watched through a few of the videos after editing and everything like that, and I wasn't too happy with the quality. So I will also be getting a new camera, so when we do track events and everything like that, we can get better content, or better quality content. Let me open the hood for you guys. I know you guys have probably seen the Juke before, but the speed holes are for the factory intercooler. I do not have a front mount. This is still in a factory intercooler. But like I was saying, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoy the newer content and better quality. And as always, our new goal is 3,000 subscribers. We finally hit our goal of 2,000 subscribers. And for those of you wondering about the hurricane, you can see the weather is beautiful. They said the hurricane is somewhere out in the ocean, so I don't think we're gonna get too much damage from it. But hope you guys enjoy until the next one, and as always, you guys are the greatest.